Do you know which is the radioactive isotope? The isotope of carbon, which is carbon 14, is a radioactive isotope. But the most surprising part is, do you know that we even consume this radioactive isotope of carbon? Now, how? I'll tell you. Firstly, when in the environment, the cosmic rays react with nitrogen, it forms carbon 14 isotope, which is radioactive, which then combines with, or you can say it gets accommodated in carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by the plants in the process of photosynthesis. And then we consume the products, the sugar, the starch produced by plants, and we consume it in our body. But eventually, this carbon 14 radioactive isotope is very useful in determining the age of the ancient human beings or ancient life. And basically it is used in archaeology. Now how it is utilized? Basically, when a person dies, the formation of carbon 14 isotope stops, okay, and it starts getting decayed, it starts getting destroyed. So when these archaeologists, when they get the remains of any ancient life forms or animals or plants or human being, what they do, they find the amount of carbon 14 isotope. Accordingly, according to the number of carbon 14 isotope, they are able to determine the age of the, of the ancient life.